Hello, my name is C.J. Spar. I have been with Airvo Industries for 9 years and I am the corporate account representative for international sales and the contact point for all orders and administrative needs for this project. We are here today to do 3 things. 1, introduce you to our company. 2, explain our partnership with the Global Fairness Initiative. And 3, to give you, the women farmers in the salt flats of Gujarat State in northwest India, an overview of the features, operation, and maintenance of our 7450 solar lantern. Airvo is a family-owned company founded by Mr. David Williams in California in the 1960s. He moved the company to our current location in Gardnerville, Nevada in the mid-1980s. The company is managed by Mr. David Williams, CEO and Chairman, and his son, Mr. Mark Williams, President. We are a leading manufacturer of paints, specialty coatings, cleaners, lubricants, safety, and lighting products for industry. In 1990, we established plastic injection molding and machine operations to support the import of portable appliances under the new Athena Corporation. In the past 20 years, we have developed safety products and outdoor appliances, including cleaner burning stoves, solar-powered lights and radios, and LED road flares, just to name a few of our green, environmentally friendly products. In April of this year, we were contacted by Mr. Caleb Shreve, Executive Director of the Global Fairness Initiative, about our 7450 Solidyne lantern for a project in India and partnership with Global Fairness. We are honored that you, the women salt farmers, and SIWA selected our lantern over similar products. We are proud to be a partner with the Global Fairness Initiative and are committed to their project and our customers' needs. We have put together this training video to explain the features of your Solidyne lantern, its operation, and maintenance. At this time, I would like to introduce Troy Wilson, Product Manager for Airvo Industries.
Thank you, CJ, and welcome. I would like to start by outlining the general features and specifications of the lantern. First, the lantern is made of durable ABS and polycarbonate plastics. It has been tested in outdoor weather conditions, including severe weather, high humidity, and salt exposure. The lightweight and portable design weighs less than 2 pounds and is approximately 5 by 10 inches in dimensions, making it ideal for everyday use and away from the house. The lantern also features 12 super bright LEDs that operate on 6 or 12 LEDs for higher or low level light, as you can see in the lantern here. To maximize the light brightness, it has a unique reflector to direct the light down and outward. The lantern incorporates 3 methods of charging: solar, as you can see in the top built-in solar panel, dynamo hand crank, or 12 volt DC. We will discuss each of these later in the presentation. Each lantern comes with a rechargeable and replaceable 3.6 volt AAA 800 milliamp nickel metal hydride type battery. The lantern is also able to charge cell phones using the cell phone adapter kit that's sold separately. I will give a simple demonstration. Take the adapter in that goes to the phone, connect it to your Pacific cell phone. Take the other end of the adapter that fits our lantern, plug it into the DC port. Crank the dynamo as normal at a good moderate speed. Verify your phone is charging. Airvo products are manufactured with the highest quality. Therefore, we back every product with a 1-year warranty. CJ will now go over the operation and use of the lantern.
The on-off button on this unit is very easy to find and is located on the front of the unit here. To use the on-off switch, push the button once for the low LED lighting, 6 LEDs, and twice for high lighting, 12 LEDs. And 3 times will turn the unit off. It is that simple. In this section, we will demonstrate how to charge the lantern. Please read the detailed operating instructions included with each lantern for complete product information. A red LED charging light indicator will illuminate whenever any of the 3 charging methods are used. This light is located here, just below the charging pin. Before charging the lights, please make sure the lights are turned off by pushing the on-off switch located on the front of the unit. The primary method of charging is by sunlight. The lantern should be placed in direct or partial sun. On a sunny day, the lantern will fully charge in 8 hours. In partial sunlight or overcast conditions, the charging rate will be slower. When the batteries are fully charged, it will provide 8 to 9 hours of light on low, and it will provide 5 to 6 hours of light on high. The unit comes with a protective cover over the solar panel located here. Remove this protective cover before charging. The second method of charging this unit when there is little or no sunlight or bad weather is by using the hand crank located on the side of the unit here. Lift the handle up and turn in either direction in a motion like this. Typically, cranking for 3 minutes will yield 15 to 20 minutes of light on high and 30 to 40 minutes on the low setting. The third method of charging is by using 12-volt DC power adapter included with each lantern. 12-volt DC power can come from many sources, including vehicles, generators, or solar and battery-powered systems designed to charge 12-volt DC products. To charge by this method, connect the DC pin connector here into the port located on the side of the lantern here. Connect the 12-volt plug into a 12-volt auxiliary power source. The lantern will fully charge in 3 to 4 hours. The batteries included with your lantern will last typically 2 years if used in accordance with the product training and operating instructions. Several factors can affect the battery performance and the life cycle. This includes weather and charging frequency. When the battery fails to charge, they will need to be replaced. The battery included with your lantern can be replaced with a common rechargeable battery pack.
The lantern has been built for everyday use and should not require any maintenance or repairs if used in accordance with the product training and our operating instructions. With the exception of replacing the battery when needed, the typical life cycle of the lantern is over 5 years, assuming the lantern has not been damaged. The lantern may be cleaned with soap and water and or a soft cloth, but it should not be immersed in water. Avoid rubbing or scratching the clear globe or the solar panel. When not in use, the lantern should be stored in the storage bag we provide with every lantern. This will keep it protected from dust, moisture, and salt. If your lantern does malfunction, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First, if the LEDs fail to operate, there are 2 common reasons. Verify the battery is installed correctly. Open the battery compartment door and make sure the connector is firmly plugged in. Reinstall the door and check the lights again for operation. If this fails to correct the problem, the battery may need to be recharged. Recharge the battery by one of the 3 methods and recheck the lights. Second, if the battery fails to properly charge from any of the 3 methods or operation time becomes low, Verify the battery is properly connected. If it is still not charging, verify your charging method is working correctly. 1, making sure the solar panel is not obstructed or damaged and is placed in proper sun exposure. 2, make sure you wind the dynamo hand crank at a moderate speed. This provides charge to the battery. If using an auxiliary 12-volt DC adapter, verify the input power source is adequate and all connectors are installed properly. Remember, if charging is working correctly, this LED indicator power light will be on during charging process. The rechargeable battery may need to be replaced if any of these methods don't work. If the lantern fails due to manufacturer's defects within a 1-year warranty period, return it to the program coordinator for credit or replacement. A few parts of the lantern may be repairable to keep the lantern in service. If the dynamo handle breaks, remove the set pin and replace it with a new handle. We can supply these parts. If the globe gets cracked and is deep enough to allow moisture or other contaminants inside, clear tape can be used to seal up the crack. If the solar panel comes loose, make sure the wires are connected and reattach with an adhesive that is compatible with plastic, firmly pressed down. If the wires are broken or damaged, the solar charging function is inoperable and cannot be repaired. If the solar panel is broken or scratched, it may still work with diminished charging performance. It can be used until it no longer charges adequately. You can also use the dynamo charging or the 12-volt DC charging as discussed previously. If an LED fails to operate, you may still use the lantern using the remaining LEDs. The LEDs are not replaceable. Remember, these lanterns are built to the highest quality standards and are backed by our 1-year warranty.
This concludes product training for the Solidyne Solar Lantern. If you have any additional questions or would like to see additional Solidyne products, please contact Global Fairness Initiative or myself at the contact information following in this video. Thank you.